excited.
First timers.
That's the sample. And you have a crispy pork belly adobo. And I'm sorry, crispy pork belly. And you already got them? Awesome. Thank you all. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Here's the crispy pork belly.
Unloaded pork belly adobo.
Pork belly.
$26.75. What's a good name for you?
How are you today?
Mark? I'm going to ask you one question first, and then you can have the card on the screen.
Thank you. Enjoy. Enjoy the weather, even though it's a little hot. Here's the bento, and then here's the lumpia, and then I'm getting the two loaded, okay? Have you had it before, our lumpia?
We've come here before, yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
I follow you guys on Facebook, so I see the schedule for the
Which
week.
one's your favorite?
Loaded.
The loaded. He loves the loaded.
That's what I got too.
Thank you.
It's coming right now.
We're waiting on something else. Yours.
We need extra bacon for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
That's his
much.
favorite.
Enjoy, guys. Adobo. Have you had it before?
No, I haven't.
Is one of that yours?
Yes,
Oh, okay. I hope you like it.
I'm so excited.
You want to try a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
So, your first time for the adobo and the lumpia?
It's really, really good.
You like it?
Love it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness. Now I gotta remember which one's her.
The one with the missing pork is pork belly is yours.
Ah, really?
Well,
What is it though?
I shake it around.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's really good.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, it's so flavorful.
Awesome. There we go.
you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Are you guys?
Here's your two pork belly. There you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right,
thank you.
Bye-bye. Have you had pork belly adobo before?
Oh, yeah. We've had it all.
Okay.
You're great. Thank you very
What's
much.
your favorite? The pork belly? We
All
have
of it. All of
crispy
it.
pork belly too, so if you haven't
We
tried
tried that
it.
before too, yeah. Thank you.
Ayan. So dahil sabay-sabay silang dumating mga ka-rollings, hindi ko alam sino sa kanila ang first customer of the day. So ililibre na lang din natin sila. Sila
Ay,
yung,
wow! Ang taray!
sila yung original na first customer of the day. Guys.
Ay, wow!
So yan, free today ah.
Thank you, ate.
Masarap talaga pag libre.
Nakachika na, nakalibre pa.
May marites na, may libre pa.
Oo.
Thank you guys ah.
Ate,
Sarap.
meron pang kasamang chika yan.
Siyempre
Adobo na may kasamang marites.
ganyan talaga guys.
Yung ito cheesy, no? Ito cheesy. Tapos yung adobo nila, ang sarap-sarap.
Very traditional.
Maano, gusto ko kasi matamis na maalat. Sarap. Wow.
Ayan guys, my God.
Mm.
First customer of the day si Gani. Siyempre, alam niya na, pagka first customer.
Salamat po.
Ayan, bagong bili ng bahay yan guys.
Busog. Sarap.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Salamat. Ingat po,
Bye,
Philippines.
kuya.
Okay po, ingat.
Ano pangalan mo?
Awesome.
Here's
Thank you.
your veggie bit. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Come with the pancetta.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
This is amazing. Thank you.
Awesome, sir. Thank you. Enjoy. Dynamite itself and a couple of forks.
Thank you.
Pork belly adobo.
Alright.
Thank you, enjoy. Here's your sampler and dynamite lumpia. Thank you, enjoy. Ganun veggies. Thank you, enjoy.
Pancetta. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy.
Yung next order naman natin
Wait.
is sampler and then
You might do a
dynamite
video
lumpia.
and the food's out to you.
So, ayan guys, ang ating dynamite lumpia. Ayan guys, another two orders of
For Thursday.
pork belly adobo. And here is our chicken and veggies, guys.
For Carrie?
Veggies, rice, two lumpia for $13.
You mind if we do a video?
Happy Monday mga ka-rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Kagagaling nga lang natin dyan sa pagtitinda ng lumpia from 11:30 to 1:30. And then guys, dahil malayo yung pinuntahan natin, mga 1 hour, nakauwi tayo siguro dyan guys ng mga 3:30 na. And then after maglinis, ayan, may nag-order ng chicken frozen lumpia. Syempre mga karoling, sayang naman yung kikitain natin. Kaya kahit pagod na tayo, ay nagbalot tayo ng another order of frozen lumpia. Bukas nga mga karoling ay magiging sobrang busy tayo dahil meron tayong order ng 600 pieces ng chicken lumpia. And meron din tayong order ng 70 to 90 orders ng ating lunch box. Yung selection nila mga karolings is it's either 5 pieces of lumpia with rice or pancit with lumpia. Thank you for watching! Hello mga karolings! Another day in my life as a food truck owner dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Ayan guys, gumagawa tayo ng chicken lumpia dahil meron tayong order ng 600 pieces na chicken lumpia and 400 pieces na pork lumpia to be picked up for tomorrow. Guys, abangan nyo yung susunod nating video dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mixture natin for our chicken lumpia. Thank you for watching. Enjoy! May mga karolings, meron tayong order na 30 pieces na lumpia guys, na cook. Ayan guys, ito yung next 10 natin. So this is 30 pieces. Happy Wednesday mga karolings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video, isi-share ko lang sa inyo kung gaano tayo kabisi sa ating commissary sa umaga bago tayo mag-start ng ating lunch service. Ayan nga guys, ang dami nating ginagayat na gulay para sa ating pansit at ang kalahati nga niyan guys ay gagamitin natin para sa ating chicken veggies.
Ganun yun. Tapos ipapakita ko.
Ano yun ang ginagawa mo niya?
Okay, mga ka-rollings. Eto tayo ngayon, ha? Pork belly. Dito
Ay, nag-trending ka kaya.
na, ma-order pa naman ako.